Now that you know what stage 2 is, let me take you through the stage 2 analysis tool on WealthLab. If you still have missed out on our stage 2 video, you can check it out over here in the courses section of WealthLab under the tutorials courses. We are currently at the stage 2 analysis tool on WealthLab, and over here it shows that currently there are 346 stocks in stage 2 while there are 300 stocks that are stage 2 candidates. First, I will tell you about the whole market cap and distribution over here, and then we will dive into what are stage 2 candidates. At WealthLab, currently on 15 July, we have marked 346 stocks into stage 2 by using our proprietary rules and methods. And over here, there is a distribution column and a market cap distribution column. The distribution section shows you which industry do these 346 stage 2 stocks come from, so that you know which industries and themes are leading in terms of momentum. So you can see that out of these 346 stocks, 25 or 7.2% are coming from auto ancillaries, 17 or 4.9% are coming from textiles, 16 are coming from NBFCs, and that is how you can see that okay, in momentum these industries are leading. At the same time, you can go to broader sectors and see which sectors are these stage 2 stocks coming from. A sector will be broad and will have narrower industries within it. Healthcare sector will have hospital, pharmacies, API, CDMOs, etc. within it. So out of these 346 stocks, 52 are coming from the healthcare sector, 50 or 14.5% are coming from BFSI, 32 are coming from auto. This is what this distribution shows. If you anyway get confused or lost as to how to figure out what to do with this data, you can just hover over this question mark and understand what does this data tell you. At the same time, we have a market cap distribution where it tells you which market cap do these 346 stocks come from. Currently, we can see that 87 stocks out of 346, that is 25%, come from mid cap, while 111, that is 32%, majority of them come from small cap. A few of them come from mega and large cap as well, while 16% come from micro cap. This is how you can figure out which market cap do you have to position yourself in if you are looking for momentum in the market. At time and again, this market cap keeps on changing so that you can rotate your portfolio accordingly. Now, stage 2 candidates are the stocks that have a high probability of coming into stage 2 anytime soon. When you click on include over here, all the data starts including these 300 stage 2 candidates as well as of today, and all the percentages change. So it will start showing you the total collective stats for both stage 2 plus stage 2 candidates over here. You can switch and see which sectors and industries are stage 1 coming from, stage 3 coming from, stage 4 coming from, and stage 2 coming from. So you will have an understanding of where the market is situated at this current price point. Now when we scroll down, we can see all the stage 2 stocks as well, and we can apply filters like top 10 sectors, top 10 or 20 industries, market caps. If you want to see stage 1, stage 2 candidate stocks, how do we want to sort them, and more. In the list, we can include or exclude stage 2 stocks. We can see the number of days that the stock has been in stage 2. So lesser number of days would mean that the stock has recently entered stage 2, while a more number of days would mean that it has been a while since that stock has been in stage 2 and has become a more mature uptrend. RS percentile is the relative strength, and we'll dive into that later. Along with that, you can see all the stocks, their industries, sectors, market cap, and basic fundamentals. You can dive deeper into the stocks by clicking on the stock names. You can look at their charts by clicking on chart, or you can look at all of them by clicking on the grid analysis, and you will see all of their charts over here. This is how stage 2 helps you. Now stage 2 can be used both for swing traders and positional traders alike. For swing traders, the idea is to be into stocks that are already in a defined stage 2 so that you can trade the swings within an uptrend. For positional traders, the idea is to scout for stage 2 candidates or stocks that are recently freshly into stage 2 so that you can keep into the trend and ride it for a long period of time. This is how WealthLab helps you analyze stocks and find stage 2 stocks in the quickest, fastest way. Along with that, we have a stage 2 history over here on which you can click and find out all the previous episodes of stage 2 across the platform and the stats across all sectors, industries, and from a time period. I hope this helps you in your analysis and helps you find out the best stage 2 stock for your momentum portfolio. I'll see you in the next video.